Hello everyone. Okay, so in this video we are looking at multiplying and dividing complex numbers in polar form. It's going to be a very short video. It's very straightforward. When we're multiplying two numbers in polar form, so say for example I have z1 here is equal to or1 times cosine theta 1 plus I sine theta 1, and z2 is equal to or2 times cosine theta 2 plus I sine theta 2. So this is just the first modulus, first argument, second modulus, second argument. When we multiply complex numbers together, all you do is you multiply the arguments, you multiply the modulus and you add the arguments. That's it. Very straightforward. So when we multiply two complex numbers in polar form, we multiply the modulus, add the arguments. Then similarly, if we're dividing complex numbers in polar form, we divide the modulus and we subtract the arguments. So let's have a look at this one here. Z1 is equal to 5 times cosine pi over 3 plus I sine pi over 3. Z2 is equal to 7 times cosine pi over 8 plus I sine pi over 8. And Z3 is equal to 2 times cosine pi over 4 plus I sine pi over 4. Complete the following statement, clearly the modulus and argument for each. So Z1 times Z2. So Z1 times Z2. What we do is we multiply the modulus. So it is 5 times 7, which is 35. And then we add the arguments, which is cosine pi over 3 plus pi over 8 plus I sine pi over 3 plus pi over 8. And that is equal to 35 times, so pi over 3 plus pi over 8, which is 11 over 24 pi. So 35 times cosine 11 pi over 24 plus I sine 11 pi over 24. And that's it, right? This one here is Z2 divided by Z3. So we divide the modulus now. So Z2 divided by Z3. So that's going to be 7 divided by 2 times. And then we subtract the arguments. Cosine 8 over pi. That's like pi over 8 minus pi over 4. Plus I sine pi over 8 minus pi over 4. That's going to be 7 over 2 times cosine of minus pi over 4 plus I sine minus pi over 4. Right? And that's it there. Next one is going to be Z1 times Z2 over Z3. So I am now multiplying Z1 by my previous result. So this is 5. So let me just take down my previous result here to show you. In front of us. And then that's Z2 over Z3. And recall Z1 is equal to 5 times cosine pi over 3. Right, so multiply these together. So we're multiplying, so we multiply the modulus. So this is going to be 7 over 2 times 5, which is just 35 over 2. And then we add the modulus, minus a quarter plus a third, minus a quarter, minus pi over 4 plus a third pi is pi over 4, so minus pi over 4 plus pi over 3, which is equal to 1/12 pi plus I sine 1/12 pi. Right, so we just add these there. And finally, the last one here, it's Z2 divided by Z1 multiplied by Z3. So I need to calculate what this is first. So Z1 times Z3. So that is, so Z1 is 5, and my modulus is 5, my argument is pi over 3, and Z3, my modulus is 2, but my argument is pi over 4. So we're multiplying them together, so 5 times 2 is 10, and then it's cosine pi over 3 plus pi over 4, plus I sine pi over 3 plus pi over 4. That's going to be 10 times cosine, so it's going to be pi over 3 plus pi over 4. And that is going to be cosine 7 pi over 12 plus I sine 7 pi over 12. So that is just Z1, Z3 here. Now I'm dividing all this by Z2. So Z2 is equal to 7 as modulus and pi over 8 as my argument. So that then is going to be 7 divided by 10 times cosine pi over 8 minus 7 pi over 12 plus I sine pi over 8 minus 7 pi over 12. That is going to give me here 7 over 10 times cosine minus 11 over 24 pi plus I sine minus 11 over 24 pi. That is my final answer there. Right, and that is how we multiply and divide complex numbers. I hope this video was some help to you guys, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!